palace. The rascal. Queen Elizabeth. The man older than you. And when you get your honey, you must have white liver to rot it. How you expect your husband of that age, yeah, to be still having sex with you? Queen Elizabeth, you're too disgusting, man, even for me. That's why Charles been calling me. I'm coming to the palace. You never know. Me I come down next month. Charles booked me here. Me know, your son. But him a give me money. And him say, Camilla now behave herself proper. And him find numbers of stripper man. Clean with her. And he might invite me to the palace. So me I'll turn up in the palace. Me I'll turn up. And me and you can have like one drink. Guess what? I'm still mad with you because you have Trump in the palace, a la la la, and a ray. And me not in a Trump. You're running backside? Good. You should have put him backside in the dungeon like what me did tell you from before. The only checkup you go for is your OBG. How will you go to OBG for clinic at your age? Eh? Because you like the OBG doctor, you like to open up. I do this. Queen Elizabeth. Now come off the phone cause you look like... You high? What? You go into the gardener room and you see pure cannabis, medical weed, and you take a couple of puffs. You smoke it? You feel good? Lord Jesus Christ, Queen Elizabeth, no, me can't do. You know what, me have to call Charles. You need supervision. Yeah. Me have to go, Queen Elizabeth, me have a little drink and me a chill. Me talk to you. Love you. I stop smoke up the ganja, man. Right, alright.